When do you want me to turn it?
Right, yeah.
Huh?
I flipped the switch.
Flip the switch so that he sees water.
Yep, there you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
There it is. Seems to be holding on so far.
Okay. Where did you live before? My name's Anthony. Anthony from this pavilion on the south. My brother, I do have brother Anthony from the south.
Yep,
That's fine. There's a lot of us.
I grew up in some of them.
Patricia, my cousin. Do you remember her?
Yeah, I do.
It's a while.
When I was in high school, and then I worked at the solar board.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Years ago, right after college, summer, I was working in stores.
Okay. Oh, wow.
They really don't give me
Right.
I was solar. I don't know.
Okay.
So it seemed like fine experience.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it really happened.
I'll put him on the bottom of the castle. This is the bottom feeder.
Okay.
Hello!
The rain doesn't bother the sand. It actually helps it. Keeps it. It does need to stay moist to some degree.
She knows all about the process. She was
She's
part
in
of it.
there.
And you went with the sixth graders, right? Was it the sixth graders?
Yes.
Today? Yeah.
Hang on, Alan. Don't move yet.
Yep.
Get started.
Yeah, that'll be good. You hit a 2x4 down on the bottom like I am? No? I wonder if. Well, I don't know how he's going to tie that.
What is that one?
This one will hit a 2x4 here. And I don't think
See
it
if we can
hits
center up any other ones. Can we center these three up if we move it over a little bit?
Try.
That one, I can almost get in there because I can put the screws inside.
You don't got this one
Okay.
here. You don't have this one here.
Yeah, I can do it if you guys go back to Alan's a little bit right there.
All right.
I only need 4 guys.
Okay.
4 corners, I can make it work. These things are gonna get covered in mud and all kinds of stuff.
Yep.
So it's all.
That's part of the game.
Yep. This one's pulled up too far.
Pulled it too far?
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't pulled to the inside.
I folded it sort of high.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there.
Well, here, you know what? Can you want to do these and I'll.
I gotta readjust this. Yeah, I gotta pull this one out. But yeah, get that so it stays down in the corner.
Yeah.
All right.